If you've ever had fouled spark plugs, you know, they get a little flooded and then they get fouled and caked up. The only way I've really found to get these things back is with heat. So I'm going to show you how I do these, and you can get a lot more life out of them when you do what I'm about to do. You want to get heat to these, and you want to heat them up until they're, you know, almost red. Here I'm running out of fuel. So. See that all the crap is starting to harden up on there. Once you get it nice and hot, you brush them off, and they'll brush off nice and clean. Or at least way cleaner than they were. You're going to hit this and get that carbon and stuff so you can brush it off. See all that crap and all that carbon. I think that's what it is anyway. It's all coming off of the spark plug. And I'll even take, once these cool, a little bit of emery cloth and run it in between the two contact points there. But this is pretty much done for this one. You can still see I have a little bit of buildup over there. So I'm gonna just hit this thing all the way around like that. Not good as new, but as good as you're gonna get. Cleans all that off really, really nice. So that's it, take a little heat. You start to see it getting red, or once you start to see all the carbon and stuff on there getting sort of flaky, then you can stop. You can do it when it's hot. You can let it cool off a little bit and go ahead and take a wire brush and just clean it off. And that's how you can revitalize your spark plugs.